Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to use Classdojo. First, you need an account, and you can sign up or ask for an account from your school. So, with mine, I just need to log in because I have mine already. You click the teacher, then I have mine here. So, first, I'm gonna show you. So, it usually what's this? It updates all the time. As you can see here, let me share first the important parts. So we have here the classes. So these are the ones which, these are all the classes that I was teaching since last school year. So if you want to add a class, then you just click the one at the bottom, which would be new class. And then you'd put sample class, and then the grade level, grade, 4th grade, whatever, 11th, really up to you. And then this is how you add the students. So you just copy and paste it from your list. So it's very easy. And then now they have a new feature that they will have sort of like a face where they are all eggs first before the monsters will come out. So let me just have one example. So I'll let you see. You can get the invite so that you can connect the parents and the students of your class, of this specific class rather. So this was what I was talking about a phase, I think about a week. If they won't accept the invite, then the monsters will not come out, or unless they earn points. So I'm gonna show you the standard comments here: helping others on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, working hard. And then this is how you add a skill. So you can type about their discipline, like doing homework. Then you would put how many points would that be. And then this one is like probably the best one. So I always share all points here. So here, noisy, so I'd minus them 2 for that. So it's really up to you, and you will see all your class here. And what I usually do is actually also what's this, at the onset when I'm introducing my classroom rules, then I would show them their Classdojos as well. And then it is good to be prepared, and then you just check attendance using Classdojo as well. This is how you mark all as present or mark all as absent, and then you just click the name. So red if it's like absent, and then orange if that student is late, or like half late, or not there, or went out, and present. And it's really up to you. And you'll see portfolios where you can create an activity, sort of a homework, and then they will be able to send a picture of their homework. Then you will see the class story of their activities at school, and in this way parents would see it as well, and then some messages from the parents. So it's very easy to connect and build a relationship with the students' parents, and also manage your class, most especially that in COVID-19 everything's going online. This is the best way and the easiest way to track also the progress of students, because there were bad days and good days when it comes to our lessons. So we actually really track if that kid is doing well or consistent. So it's easier to track the behavior, the points, and to grade also and make marks and make comments about the students, and they actually enjoy seeing their monsters grow. And if they reach a certain amount of points, then I'd have them redeem their points, so they can redeem their points. For example, I gave this monster 1 and they can redeem points. They can have stickers if they reach 50 points, or they can change the monsters if they have 10 points. So it's up to you to build the standards of your point system, and that make it consistent at the end of the school year. So the expectations will be met, and also they know what it's like and stand firm, so that they really know that their parents can see their progress as well.